already told, and your ANI people, I told yesterday only that we are going to fight unitedly, all opposition parties. For that, we are all meeting once again in Shimla. Therefore, we will continue our fight.
Sir, central government is not providing rice for a state
That
government.
I already told. You pick up from that. No. See, purposely they are doing it. See, when you can supply other countries, can't you supply to our own people when they are dying without food? So this is just they are making, and your godowns full of food grains. And this all, what you call, several small mines and other, and this particularly.
BJP is doing hate politics with Congress.
Therefore, no, I don't want to say hate or that. We want rice. We will pay for that. When government is paying, they are not asking you free. When they are paying, it is your